Hey there, friends. My name is Zach, and this is my friend Miranda. She's going to be helping me out today. Welcome to the Harmony Crash Course. We've been talking about doing this for a little bit. Well, here it is. What is the purpose of what we're doing? It's really simply to give you an easy way to follow something, a super simple tutorial that you can learn with and develop your ear so that you can hear and sing harmony. How do we do that? What is harmony? To put it as simply as possible, we're going to learn 3 terms today, and that is the purpose of this video, kind of like an introductory, what is harmony? Those 3 terms that we're going to learn today is pitch, melody, and harmony. So what is pitch? What is a melody? And ultimately, what is harmony? So let's start with pitch. A pitch is a note. That's as simple as I can make it. So this is an A, and that is the note. That is the pitch. Now you can be on pitch or you can be off pitch. You never want to be off pitch. That's kind of the point of what we're talking about. You want to be able to match what you hear with your voice. So if you hear this, right? So I was off at the beginning and I came onto it. So that A, I'm matching that pitch. That is pitch. So if you take a bunch of pitches together and you put them in a sequence and maybe you write a song, that is called a melody. So your favorite singer, wherever you're listening to them, and I know people don't listen to the radio anymore, wherever you're listening, your favorite singer, maybe it's Taylor Swift, T-Swizzle, and whatever she is singing on her song, whatever that is the melody. That's another way to think about it. If you go from there, you take the idea of pitch, you take the idea of melody, the natural progression is next harmony. It's the main event. This is what we're talking about today, trying to get you guys to develop and learn. So what is harmony? It's similar to melody. It really is. It is a series of pitches that are in a sequence. Here's where it gets different. They follow or complement a melody. So that is the biggest thing to take away. A harmony is different from a melody. It is a totally different part. It complements. Now, we could explain it, but I figure an easier way is to give you a small little example about what exactly it should sound like. So that note earlier, that was an A, right? Now, a complementary note for an A is a C sharp. All right, now if you put them together, that is something we call a chord. That is what harmony does. It works together with melody to create something pleasing to the ear. Now, if you want to match it, you got to use your ear, and we're going to give you a little small example about what that would be like. So if I am the melody, I am this A note, my friend Miranda, she is going to be this C sharp note. So if I do the melody, and then C sharp, Miranda, if you wouldn't mind helping me. That's the C sharp, and we're going to do it on 3. We're going to try and sing it at the same time. So here's the A, here's the C sharp, 1, 2, 3. That really simply is what it should sound like. You should be able to match a different part and sing that with the melody. That's what we're talking about today. We're talking about harmony, developing your ear to better be able to hear and replicate or match the pitch of something else with the melody. It's going to make you a better singer. It's going to make you a better musician. You're going to be able to bring value in a way that you weren't able to before to a band or a song. So from here, we have some tutorials that are going to come out. One that'll come out with this video that Miranda's going to sing with me on. I will be singing the melody on that tutorial and on most of the tutorials coming up. And someone else, in this next one Miranda will, but someone else will sing a harmony part with me. And you're going to be listening to that harmony. You're going to try and match it and be able to sing it yourself. And as you work and you get into these videos, you'll be able to develop, and it may take some time for some of you. It may take a little longer than others. But if you just keep working at it, don't get discouraged, you'll be able to develop your ear to sing harmony with anything. And it's totally worth it. That's kind of the one thing I want to leave you on. It's going to be hard, but it's going to be worth it. So have fun, get out there, get into those tutorials, work on it, and we'll see you guys in the next one.